Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix guided access not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1, update iOS version. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is available, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is enable your guide access. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on accessibility. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, guided access, tap on it. You can see appears on screen guided access toggle on and 10 to 20 seconds back toggle off and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset network setting. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset network settings. You can see appears on screen the reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on reset network settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset all settings. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset all settings. You can see appears on screen reset all settings. This will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix guided access not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.